I looked into the Nvidia Shield TV Pro, and honestly, it's still one of the most powerful streaming devices you can buy, even years after its initial release. The performance is incredibly smooth thanks to the Tegra X1 Plus processor, which blows most other streaming boxes out of the water. Whether you're watching 4K HDR content, using AI upscaling, or running multiple apps at once, everything feels fast and polished. Where the Shield really stands out is versatility. It supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, GeForce Now, Android TV apps, and even NAS streaming. If you're into home media servers like Plex or Jellyfin, the Shield is basically unmatched. It handles local playback effortlessly. For casual gaming, GeForce Now turns it into a mini console, which is something you don't get from Roku or Apple TV. That said, the price is higher than most streaming devices. If you only want Netflix and YouTube, there are much cheaper options that work just fine. The UI is clean, but some people don't like Google TV's recommendation-heavy interface. And since the device hasn't had a major hardware update recently, some users wonder how long Nvidia will keep supporting it. Overall, the Shield TV Pro is still the best choice for power users, gamers, and home server setups. For everyone else, it might be more than you actually need.